Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about cubes, cube roots, and perfect cubes. Now, I think we all have an idea of what a cube is, and we know Minecraft is full of them. But just to review, a cube is a three-dimensional object where all the sides are equal. So in this case, we have a cube with a height of 1, a width of 1, and a length of 1. So if you multiply the three sides, you can actually get the volume of the cube. This is called taking the cube, or cubing something. So if 1 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1, which equals 1. So the volume of this cube is 1. And the cube of 1, obviously, is 1. But this works with larger numbers too. Here we have a cube with sides of 2. We have 2 wide by 2 long by 2 tall. So if you multiply the length times the width times the height, or 2 times 2 times 2, we get 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8. So that gives us the volume of this cube. And you can see that for yourself, because if you look at it, you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes. Or 8 blocks, I should say, in this cube. So the cube of 2, as we now know, is 8. So here's a cube with sides of 3 by 3 by 3. So let's cube 3. What's 3 times 3? That's 9. Times 3 again is 27. So now we know that 3 cubed is 27. And if we counted them, which I'm not going to do, you could see that there would be 27 blocks that make up this cube. So now we know how to cube a number. You take the side length and you multiply it by itself 3 times, length times width times height, to get the volume. But did you know you could also do the opposite? You can start with a known volume to get the side length. That's called taking the cube root. So let's find the cube root of this cube here. We know the volume. We know that it is 8 blocks. So to find the cube root, we simply find the number which, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives you the volume of the cube. So in this case, we know that number is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So we know the cube root of 8 is 2. Now the last thing to talk about is perfect cubes. It's actually a pretty simple concept. A perfect cube is just a cube which has sides of a whole number, in this case 1, because it's 1 by 1 by 1. Now you can have a cube, theoretically, which would be 1.2 by 1.2 by 1.2. There aren't any of those in Minecraft, thankfully. And that would not be a perfect cube. This, however, is. Alright guys, that's it for this episode of Minemath. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.